Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop live activities from taking over your Apple Watch face. The Smart Stack in watchOS is a pretty handy feature, offering a collection of widgets that you can access by scrolling the digital ground. It provides relevant information throughout your day, but live activities can sometimes feel a bit intrusive by automatically taking over your watch face. Fortunately, there is an easy way to keep them in check. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your Apple Watch. And then you have to tap Smart Stack. After that, you have to select Live Activities option. And then you have to turn off the switch next to Auto Launch Live Activities. Once disabled, live activities will no longer auto launch, but you can still access them manually in the Smart Stack whenever you need them. For more control, you can customize which apps are allowed to display live activities. On your Apple Watch, go back to the Live Activity settings to manage Apple apps individually. You can also use the Watch app on your connected iPhone to adjust Live Activity settings for third-party apps. This way, you can prioritize the notifications that matter most and block unnecessary ones. If persistent media controls are the issue, head to the Media App section within the same menu. From there, you can completely disable live activities or choose between Off and Smart Stack under Auto Launch option to tailor the experience to your preferences. This approach keeps your Apple Watch face clear while still letting you access key information on your terms. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy watchOS tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.